Okay, we have a map which could come from the Ordnance Survey, and here we've got some interpolated old ditches that were on the feature. This is what the ditches actually look like, although we don't actually know that. So we're going to put some cores in to get an idea of the depth of the deposits that we're going to be dealing with, and we can come up with interpretations like this. So you can see that one's quite a shallow component of a ditch, and the other one is a deeper ditch fill. Okay, so the fact that we've got some a shallow and a deep ditch changes the way we would put our trenches in. So for the shallow ditch, we'd look at using this L-shaped strategy. So we cut across the ditch and get a profile, but we can also go longitudinally along it. We would take bulk samples out from this component here, and we would get a section that looked a little something like this. Obviously there's the obverse section as well. For the other trench, because it's deeper, we could put something that's just a straight box section. We would take the bulk samples out, say along here. Let's put the ditch back on just so you can see what I'm doing. And we would have a section that looked a little bit like this. So let's remove the cores and keep the ditches on, and put on the other section. Here we are. So once we've got these sections exposed, we would take some environmental samples. I'm sure those are slightly wrong, but Keith can correct that. And we would start to embed the probes. Now, we've talked about a number of different probe array. This is an 8 probe placement, so that's 8 within the archaeology and 8 outside of the archaeology, so we can pick up the contrast between the sediments and the natural soil matrix. Here's another 8 probe placement, and here you can see that we've got some longitudinal variation on top, and nothing has really changed in the shallower ditch section. In the clay areas, it's proposed that we put 16 in. So here's a potential scenario for the top environment, and in the shallow ditch sections, I'm not sure exactly what we would do. Okay, thank you.